Good morning everyone. Standard 6 Mathematics. Today we are going to start chapter number 4 fraction. But first we understand the question number 5 to here. First write the fractions added portion of figures. So first here, what is the meaning of fraction? That means here round total how many box? 1, 2, 3, 4. But which one color? Side is 1. That means 1 by 4. Total 4, so downside right. Here total 1 and 2 parts. So 2, in which part the shaded portion? That means 1. That means 1 by 2. So here total how many? 4. But how many shaded? So 3. Here total 3 and that means 2 side. That means 2 by 3. Here total 3 and 1 side. That means 1 by 3. Same type question number 4. That write the fraction of the line protection figure. Same. Here total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But shadow how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 by 8. Here how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To total 10. And how many color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 5. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 to 12. And how many shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 6. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18. And how many color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. Then here total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19. How many color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 19. Then question number 7. Set the opposite part and figure to represent the given data. So here say 5 by 8. That means total 8. And 5 boxes we this type doing shadow. Same type here 12 by 11. So any 11 boxes. And here 9 by 16. So any 9 boxes. Here 7, that means 7 boxes, and here 8, that means any 8 boxes. Now question number 8. Write the following fraction in its words. So here 4 by 11. To which step this one read as 4 and 11s. Upper side 4, that means 4, and then 11, that means 11s. Same this one 8 by 15, that means 8 by 15s. 6 by 19 to 6 by 19s. 9 by 13s. Here 7 16s. 15 20s. And question number 9. Write the following fraction in figure. 3 16, that means 3 by 16. 5 18, that means 5 by 18. 9 14, that means 9 by 14. 13 20, that means 13 by 20. 4 13, that means 4 by 13. 6 7, that means 6 by 17. So now here, then question number 10. Write the equivalent fraction having denominator 24. Denominator, that means upper side one say denominator, downside, and upper side say numerators. The first 2 by 3. So here downside 24 denominators. So here 2 is the denominator and C denominator. So 2 by 3. So here which number multiplication? Then here 24 come. So 3 8s are. So here downside 8 multiplication, same time upper side also number multiplication 8 being. The 3 8s are 24 and 8 2s are 16. Same type 4. The 4 table, we how many multiplication? Then 24 come, that means 6. 4 6 are 24, and upper side also same number 6 multiplication. Then 3 6 are 18. Same type 6 to 6 4 are 24 and 5 4 are 20. Now here 12. The 12 2s are 24, and here 11 2s are 22. Then here 8 8 3s are 24, and upper side 3 3s are 9. Then 2 12s are 24 and 7 12s are 84. Now question number 11. Mark the fraction 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 7 by 10 on the same number line. The first here denominator equal doing first 1 by 2. So here bracket number 10. So here 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are. Here 5 to 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. And here 10 1s are 10. So all 10 10 come. That means first 5 by 10. Here then 6 by 10 and then 7 by 10. Now question number 12 say that write the improper fraction. So first we know this step, which step do this one, we also completed the standard 5. That here 5 to 5 2s are 10 and plus 3, that means 13 plus 5. Then here 7 7 4s are 24 plus 2, that means 30 by 7. And 9 5s are 25 45 plus 2, that means 47 by 9. Here 8 3s are 24 plus 3, that means and that means 27, and 5 6 is 30 plus 1 31 plus 6 7 is 21 plus 2, that means 23 by 3. Now write as mixed fraction 30 by 3. So here 13 by 3, that means here table 3 to division doing 30 3, so 3 3s are 3 4s are 12, and here 1, that means 4 integers 1 by 3. Same type table 4 to division doing, that means 4 integers 3 by 4. Then 5 25, that means 4 integers 1 by 5. Then 29 by 6, then 4 integers 5 by 6. 32 by 7, that means 4 integers 4 by 7. And 33 by 8, that means 4 integers 1 by 8. Now question number 14, that write the following fraction is the simple form. To simplify first, the first 18 by 36, the first 18 here this step doing 18, 2 18s are 9, then 3 3s are and 3 1s are, then 63, then 21, then 3, then 7 and 7, that means 1. And then here 18, that means 2 into 3 into 3, and then 3 into 3 into 7. So here this 3 and this 3 cut doing, that means only 2 and 7 left, the 2 by 7. Same type 14 and 56 this step doing division fraction, and then here this 2 2 cutting, so only answer 5 by 7. Same type 72 and 18, so same here this 2 cut. Now here 3 3 is 9 and 9 2 is 18 and 5 5 is 25. The answer 15 by 25. Same type fourth one, do in your homework. Now question number 15, say write the given fraction in the ascending order. The first here this fourth number LCM doing 3 5 6 2. So 3 1s are 3, here 5 3 so 2s are 6, and here 2, then 5 1s are 5, then 2 the 2 1s are 2, the total 3 5s are 15 and 2, that means 30. So first 2 in 3, so here denominator 30 come, so here 30, 3 into 10 30 and 2 into 20. Then 5, the 5 6 are 30, the upper side also 3 multiplication 6 3 is 80. Then here 6 comes, that means 5 6 are 30, and here 5 1s are 5, and here 15 2s are 30 and 15 1s are. So which one? Smallest number first, here 5 30, that means 1 by 6, then 15 30, that means 1 by 2, then 18 30, 3 by 5, and then 20 30, 2 by 3. Same type here 4 2 8 16, first here LCM doing, LCM comes 16, then denominator 64 4 is 16 and 3 4 is 12. 8 2s are 16 and 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. 16 1s are 16, 9 1s are 9. So first here which one? 1 by 2, then 8 by 16, then 9 by 16, that means 9 by 16, then 10 by 16, that means 5 by 8, and then 12 by 16, that means 3 by 4. Same type write with given is the descending order. So same this 4 number first here LCM doing, and then denominators here 12, that means all 12 doing, and then descending orders. Same type, and here same also first what doing LCM, and then this all numbers here denominator equal 30 to 30, and then here then descending order, that means big number to small number. Here first big number 10 12, that means 5 by 6, then 9 by 12, that means 3 by 4, then 8 by 12, that means 2 by 3, and 5 by 12, that means 5 by 12. Then question number 17, write the associated sign greater than, less than, or equal. First 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So this one small number, that means greatest number, this one. Then 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. 3 5 by greatest, that means here this one. Then 7 by 12 5 by, so this one, that means here less than. 8 by 15 or 3 by 10. So this one 8 by 15 greatest number, greater than. 3 by 4 or 5 by 8, the greatest number. 3 by 8 or 1 by 4, the greatest number. 2 by 3 that means less than. And 5 by 12 and 10 by 12 equal. By, because this one doing table 2, that means 5 2s are, and here 12. 2s are 24, so equal. Then simplify. The 13 to 13 and 5 by 7, that means 12. 19, that LCM 19, both number 19 come. Then 3 by 6, that means 9. 23 23, denominator 23. 7 by 10, that means 17. 7 by 25 and 8 by 19, 17. 17 by 25. Here minus 18 minus 6, that means 12, and 12 by 25. Same 13 by 6, that means minus 7. 7 by 20. Then 21 minus 7, that is 29. And 21 by 7, that means 14. Then here 17 minus 6, that means 11, downside 30. Same 23 minus 12, that means 11 by 24. Now add. The first, here we 3 and 4 LCM, that means 4 3s are 12. Now table 3, the 3 table 12 where come? So 3 4s are, and upper side 2, that means 4 2s are 8. Same type table 4 table 12 where come? 4 3s are. So upper side number multiplication doing 3 3s are. Now 8 plus 9 17, and 17 by 12 table. So 12 ones are 12, and here 5. So answer 1 integer is 5 by 17. Same type 8 6 are 48. Now table 8, 48 where comes 6 are, and upper side 3, that means 6 3 are 8. Same type 6 table 48 where come? 8 are, and 8 5s are 40. Now 18 by 40, that means 58, and 48 here division, 48 ones are 48, and here 10. Answer 1 integer is 10 by 48. And this one division table 2, 5 2s are 10, and here 24. The answer 1 integer is 5 by 24. Same type here 3, that means 14 and 21. So here LCM first doing 14 and 21. So here 3, first 7 2s are, and 7 3s. Now 2 1s are and 3s. Now 3 1s are and 1s. So here 12, 3 2s are 6, and 7 6 are 42 LCM. And now 48. Now 14 table 42 where come? 3s are. So now here upper side 5, that means 5 3s are 15. And 21 table 42 where come? 2s are. So 8 2s are 16. Now 15 plus 16, that means 31. And 31 smallest number, then 42. So here division not doing. Same type 10 and 15. So here LCM 30 come. Table 10, 30 where come 3, and upper side 3, that means 3 3s are 9. And 15 table 30 where come 2s are, and 4 2s are 7, and here 2. 7 2s are 14. So 14 plus 9, that means 23 divided by 30. Now question number 5. Here 3 5. So 5 3s are 15 plus 2, that means 17 by 5. First this one, and simply form doing 4 2s are 8 plus 3, that means 11 by 14. So 5 by 4. So here LCM 25 for the, so 5 table 4 can 17 for the 64, and table 4 25 the 50. 68 plus 8 did the 123, and 123 did table 20 division do, that means 6. So 16 is 3 by 20. Same type here, the was simply from doing 6 3 is 18 plus 5 23 by 16, and 9 2 is 18 plus 4 22 divided by 9. So now here 6 and 9 LCM 18. So now 6 table 18 where come? 3s are 23 into 3, that means 69. And table 9 here 18 where come? 2s are, so 22 into 42. So first this one to plus doing, that means 11 30. And then division doing, that means here 6. The answer is 6 into 5 by 18. Same type question number 7 and 8 do in your homework. And next question number 20, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 2 by 3. So this all 3 numbers LCM doing. First 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 3. Then 2 1s are 1 and 3, that means 3 1s are 3. So 2 2s are 4, and 4 3s are 12. So here 12. So table 2 12 where come? 6 6 1s are 6. 4 table 12 where come? 3 3 3s are 9. And 3 table 12 where come? 4 4 2s are 8. So all total doing 23 and 12. So division 12 ones are 12. Answer 1 integer is 11 by 12. Same type here 6 9 and 12 LCM 36 come. And 6 table 36 6, so 6 sides are 39, table 36 4 4 4 is 16, and 12 11 36 3 7 3 is 20. This all total, then 67 come, then division by 36. So 36 ones are 36. Answer here left 31. So 1 integer is 30 by 30. Same type this one do in your homework. Question number 4. First is simpler form doing. The 4 8 2s are 16 plus 5, then 21 by 8, then 12 3 is 36 plus 11 43 by 12, 15 2 is 30 plus 1 31. Then 8 12 may LCM 120 come, and then 8 table 120 where come? This step on multiplication, and then plus, and here division doing. The answer come 8 integers 35 way. Same type this one doing on homework. Now here simply form 5 2 is 10 plus 4 is 14, 10 1 is 10 and 19, and 4. This one any number give, that mean here downside 1. Now 5 and 10 LCM 10 come. The 5 table 10 2, 14 2 is 28. 10 table here 10 1 is 10, that means 9 1 10 1 is 19, here 1. 14 10 1 is 10, that means 40. This all total 87, and here 10. Here division, then 8. The answer 8 into 7 by 10. To today classes we are doing only question number 20. Next period we are going to start question number 21. Okay.